Hi guys, today we're gonna discuss about the Windows Server 2016 installation. Then, open your browser and then search for Windows Server 2016 download. Click the site on the top. Here, we can choose to download in different languages, but we're gonna choose English. Now that it's currently downloading, we just have to wait until it is finished. Once it is done, we can just check our folder in the downloads if it is finished. Now we can just run our VMware. Press Create New Virtual Machine. You can choose an installer now or later. In my case, I chose later. Choose Windows Server 2016 and then you can choose where you want to put it. I will choose 60 maximum disk drive and split it. We can customize our hardware, the memory and processor. And for the CD, we're gonna use an ISO file, which is what we downloaded a while ago. Click Finish, and afterwards we can see our Windows Server 2016. Just play the virtual machine. Press any key to put it up. For this one, we're gonna choose English. Then next, and then click Install Now. And then for this one, we're gonna choose the one with the desktop experience. And then click Next. Then we're gonna choose the custom install Windows only. We're gonna divide our drive into partitions. Then, right now it is installing. Again, we need to wait until it is done. In order to continue, we need to restart. Now we have to customize our settings. We have to input our password. Just click Alt Delete or click Alt Insert to open. And then now we're gonna enter our password. And now, as you can see, we can see our windows. We just have to wait until our server manager is finished loading. And now we're done. We successfully installed the Windows Server 2016.